Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Soundcore Q11i. This kind of headphone, it's really nice because we checked it out, the Q10, if you remember, it was really dope. And I had that kind of headphones like almost 3 years, man. It lasted for 3 years. That headphone, it's one of a kind. But today we're checking out the Q11. What's so special about it? We're gonna be unboxing it, checking out the sound and giving you guys some thoughts. Enough of me talking, let's get started throughout unboxing this kind of bad boy and experience what's so speciality on this thing. So yeah, so guys, here we have it. We're gonna be unboxing it, so as you can check it out what's so special inside this kind of bad boy, because it seems to be really kind of cool kind of headphones, and I'm really so pumped to see what's so special inside. And it seems to be really great throughout this kind of packaging. Quite not bad. There we go. Okay, having the headphones here, I'm going to keep it aside, and I like the way they kept this kind of the boxing. It's quite not bad. First thing first, you're getting this kind of paperwork for connecting it throughout your phone too, and read it and understand how you can use the Q11i. Secondly, you're getting this kind of cable, which is an aux cable, which is really great. Last but not least, you're getting this kind of USB Type-C. Most kind of interesting part is the headphones part. So this is how this kind of headphones looks. Really nice, really kind of cool. Different design compared to how the Q10 felt. This feels really decent, quite not bad. I like the design, they refreshed it. Feels like Space One in here, and yeah, really quite not bad. So as you can spot it over here, there's a volume button, power button, volume minus button, there's a USB Type-C and a headphone jack, or the jack whereby you connect the aux, and there's a bass up kind of tone. So this is how this kind of headphones looks. Really interesting. And when you just push them on, this is how they feel. They feels really good, not bad. I kind of like them. The design, though, let me just remove my cape and try to wear without a cape. It's really immersive to my kind of experience. Quite not bad. So the power button, it's kind of somewhere here in the middle. I wish it could be just separate kind of power button, but they kept it in the middle. Okay, it wants me to pair. So I think let's pair on our phone here. Something which is so interesting, we're going to be using the Soundcore app, because you can connect this kind of bad boy with the app compared to way back on the Q10. It didn't support that. So you can see Q11i, and we're going to be connecting here just like that, and we are in. Check the okay, I did check that. Okay, got it. And there is another firmware updates. That's interesting. We're gonna get in that kind of part. So last time I remember you guys asked me about a certain thing throughout the other earbuds of Soundcore. We check it out, RF50i. But this one, let's go directly throughout the settings. Wait, the settings side. Oh, this one does not have settings side. Or does it have? Okay, it's interesting because it has dual connection and it has sound effects and another kind of stuff, a firmware update. So if you prefer to update it, it's much better. Just download the firmware update and just give it some few minutes so as it can be here, and just install it like that. So guys, the firmware update is now completed, and we're going to be checking over here and get back throughout our headphones and try to connect again, because it beeped. That means we're good. So you're inside the application, as you can spot it, it just has some fewer kind of functionality, especially on the sound effect side. You can customize the sound effects depending on what you really want, and you can select acoustic, bass booster, or that. But when you press this kind of blue, they kept it blue like their branding, it just does the bass up, but it does not speak. So I kind of missed that lady. Bass up. Bass up. Says bass up. Come on, Soundcore, what are you doing, man? You removed the good feature. Like the lady was saying, bass up and normal. Okay, now let me just test the sound so as I can give you guys my thoughts. The sound is just so immersive. Like it feels like you're in a sardine kind of studio while you're just outdoor. That's something which is so surprising. And the sound quality, the tension of the sound is just really, really decent. I like the way the Soundcore signature sounds really impressive. So I kind of give these kind of headphones go. They're really, really impressive. They don't have touch controls, so do not expect any touch controls on the sideways. Do not get deceived, but they have an interesting kind of buttons. I love the way they kept these kind of buttons over here. Overall, it's really good kind of form factor through the buttons. Some really kind of new features enhancement throughout the Soundcore Q11i, and it's really, really interesting. And as you can spot it over here, the way they fill through the caps, really, really cool, and the way they fit in, really amazing. So guys, let's talk about the Soundcore Q11i core specs. Well, it has a driver size of 40mm dynamic drivers. It has a battery life up to 60 hours of playback. It has a fast charge for 5 minutes, is equivalent to 4 hours playtime. It has a connectivity of Bluetooth version 5.3 plus multi-point. It has an audio quality high-res audio plus aux mode plus bass up. It has a weight of 240 grams, foldable design, and it has an extra features which it has custom EQ via application and detachable ear cushions, which is quite impressive. Will you consider buying the Q11i? If you came from Q10, this is a worth it kind of upgrade. The Soundcore headphones still, you just have to give it a shot. It's a really nice kind of headphones, to be honest. From my kind of perspective, I've tested the Soundcore products for a while. I've been using these kind of headphones, the earbuds, you name it, everything Soundcore. Really nice kind of buds, really nice sound, really nice signature, really budget kind of headphones. You just don't need to break your bank account to buy these kind of headphones. They're coming in a real kind of budget pricing. If you just want something decent but you're on a tight budget, I think the Soundcore Q11 is what you really need to look up for. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these kind of headphones, and drop your comments there and let me know. It's going to be really great. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, you already know what I'm saying. I'm going to catch you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.